Welcome to this beginner's guide on exporting only the pages from your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will be guided through a series of straightforward actions designed to help you complete this task quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the page where you will find the login option. Click on this login option to access your account. From here, you are presented with the opportunity to sign in using your existing credentials. Next, instead of entering a username and password manually, you will click on the option that allows you to continue using your Google account. This method simplifies the login process. After clicking on the Continue with Google button, a list of your associated Google accounts will appear. Choose the specific account from which you wish to proceed, ensuring that you select the correct account if you have multiple profiles. After successfully signing in with your Google account, you will move to the section of WordPress where the export process is initiated. Locate the Tools area within your WordPress dashboard. The Tools section is an integral part of any WordPress website as it provides additional management features including the export function. Once you have identified the Tools section, click to enter that area. Within Tools, search for the export functionality. When you click on the export option, the interface will display an export content area, giving you several choices. The intent of this tutorial is to focus solely on exporting pages, so your next step is to navigate through the drop-down menu that appears. From the menu, select the option specifically designed for pages. This action refines your export options and ensures that only the pages on your website will be included in the final export file. After selecting pages from the drop-down menu, it is important to move forward by confirming your selection. You do this by clicking on the action that finalizes the process, which is labeled for exporting all the selected content. By clicking Export All, you confirm that you want every page on your website to be included regardless of the number, making the process thorough and complete. As you click the Export All option, WordPress begins processing the request. The system packages your website's pages into a downloadable file. Depending on the volume of content and the performance of the server at that moment, this process might take a few moments. Patience during this time is essential as the generated file is a vital backup or migration asset. Once the system has finished processing, it will provide you with a file that you can save to your device. This file contains all the pages you have selected, neatly bundled in a format that is ready to be imported elsewhere if needed. Remember that this export file is a useful tool not only for backup purposes, but also for transferring your content to another WordPress site, or for further edits offline. By following these instructions carefully and in sequence, you have now completed the process of exporting only the pages from your WordPress website. This guide has provided an easy to follow, step-by-step walkthrough to help you access, select, and export your content with confidence. Enjoy the benefits of having a reliable copy of your website's important pages, and feel free to refer back to this tutorial whenever you need a refresher on the process.